my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's been a couple weeks since I uploaded a video. I miss you guys. Oh my gosh. Today I'm going to reveal my unboxing of this beautiful Chanel substitute bag. It's a tweed bag, but I think you're really gonna love it. My friend Tiffany encouraged me of this purchase. She asked me what I think of the bag and the brand, but yes, I cannot wait to reveal. And also I'm going to reveal some cute dresses from Alice and Olivia that I just purchased in Saks Fifth, which are so pretty, and I cannot wait to share it with you. I have cute other items that I want to show on this video, and I hope you enjoy today's reveal. I'm very excited. The first dress I want to show is this one from Mango, silky material dress, and it is pleated. It's so beautiful. The color is kind of like bronzy orange. She's just so stunning. And then the next one is this beautiful reversible Alice and Olivia kimono. Look at her. She's so pretty. She has a slit on the side. Really cute. And on the other side as well, and you can wear it reverse, so different color inside. It's more like orange in the inside, and this one is like a red combination, and it has a trumpet sleeves that goes all the way to your wrist. I love it, and it's so, I don't know, it's just so beautiful. As soon as I saw this online, the model was wearing, she looks so pretty. It's very well made. I think the material is just awesome. All the details are just to perfection. I am very excited to wear this. I could wear this all year long. It's just very happy and very sunny, and it has the Japanese touch. I just so love it. I love kimonos. I don't have a reversible kimono like this, so this is going to be a forever piece in my closet. I cannot wait to share the pictures on Instagram. I have been shopping so many clothes. I'm almost finished with my 2020 shopping. It's been a great year for me, and I have accomplished my shopping goals. I can't be happier, and I'm so feeling blessed for this year, and I am looking forward to wear all my clothes and my bags for next year. I have to wear them all. It's quite overwhelming, and I have to enjoy them before I get more items, but we never know. And then I have these blouses from Saks Fifth. Let me show you the first one. So this is the same as the dress that I got. I really like this color, and it just complements my skin. It's quite a combination of bright and darker flowers, and it's just so beautiful. I'm very pleased with this purchase. I like the material. The next one is this beautiful, almost like the kimono, but also the bottom part of it is somewhat similar, which is like a trumpet style. Exactly the same print as my kimono. It's also red, and combination of all these colors. They just look so happy. It makes me feel like I'm a garden full of flowers, and makes me so happy. And it brightens up my day. So besides the color purple, these are just adorable. All the colors are here. It's like a rainbow, and yeah, I'm enjoying it so much. I like these collections that they have this year. I also have this white linen trouser that could possibly look good with those blouses. And this one was purchased from Mango. And then the last dress I want to show you from Alice and Olivia is this beautiful tweed dress. It's a black and white. It is so pretty. It has the zipper in the back that goes all the way below your waist. This one is like a Chanel substitute, Chanel alternative. That's what I call it. I mean, they're just so expensive if you buy this kind of material from Chanel, and I just don't see myself spending that money for something that I'm not really gonna wear all the time. So I think this is just a very good purchase as an alternative and substitute. You could always look fabulous. It doesn't have to be always Chanel, especially on expensive items. I really think hard before I purchase because I want to make sure that I'm really in love with the item because the prices are just enormous. And so with this one, I've always liked collecting tweed clothes and dresses, but somehow I like it to be in good quality. The thing with this is it could snag, and imagine wearing a $5,000 dress and it snags. I would cry. So I think with this material, you don't want to spend a lot of money unless if you're really super rich. But yeah, this was $330 and I got them on sale, and it is a really good quality. I like the quality, and I like how Alice and Olivia created this dress for a fraction of the price. So, and the color combination is also perfect. And before I show you my Chanel alternative or substitute bag reveal for today, I want to share this mask that I got from the Oliver Tolentino. Hi Oliver, how are you, loves? Thank you so much for this beautiful mask. They are just so well made. I love the color combination. So I got two of them. Of course, my favorite, purple. So this is Oliver Tolentino. Check him out. He has a boutique in Beverly Hills. He's a designer and very talented. I'm just really happy to be his friend. But yeah, he's made a lot of dresses and gowns for me. And yeah, check him out. Beverly Hills, California. Follow him on Instagram as well. I like it so much. This is just a beautiful color. And this one as well, it comes with this Chanel looking chain, so you don't drop it on the floor. So this comes really handy, and it is detachable. Beautiful. And it comes with a little bag. How cute. So you could put your little mask inside this pouch and put it in your purse, or even just hang it on your shoulder. So this is very handy. I really like this because the mask, sometimes when we go to the restaurant and eat, we have to take them off, and so we do need like a pouch like this. So this is a very good idea. And congratulations to Oliver. He's been such an amazing designer. He has given me free masks when the pandemic started, and when there was a shortage, he mailed me a number of masks, and I am very appreciative for him doing that. Another thing I want to show you is this nails, which is as good as acrylic. It is my daughter Agatha's new business. She's starting her new business, and I'm one of her first customers. So my daughter is making these nails custom for you. Actually fits your and gets measurement, or show you how to get the measurement for your nails, so she can make a custom one for you, because the ones that they usually sell on the store are not really your exact size. So she created a business where you could custom the style and she'll make it for you, as well as this one is thick and good quality nails that you could press on with the glue. Check her out. I'm going to link her new Instagram account right here below. And yes, please follow her on Instagram. I would love for you to support my daughter's new endeavor. She's in nursing school as well, doing online school. So she has extra time to start her own little business. And I'm very proud of her for doing that. Are you ready for the bag reveal of this video? Oh, I am very excited to show you. This is a Kurt Geiger. I don't know if I pronounce it right. Kurt Geiger or Kurt Geiger. It's a London brand. They sell shoes, accessories, and bags, and they have them in Nordstrom. So I got this one from Nordstrom. My sales associate Anna helped me. She's just so adorable. I really like Anna. She's very helpful. And yes, I got this one, and I think this was the very last one when I purchased. It went on sale for like $80, and it was really hot like a pancake, and I think they don't have it anymore. But yeah, I would say this is a Chanel alternates or substitute for a tweed bag. She is so adorable, and it's quite a good material. It's like tweed inside, and then it has a little pocket in here, if you can see that. It has tweed here and tweed on the top lining, but it seems to be very well made. I like the closure, and of course the expensive looking bird head, cute little eyes looking at you. And then it has the logo in the back. It is a beautiful bag. It could actually fit like 2 cell phones in here, or a wallet and a cell phone and a key. Good size for your daily essentials. And you could wear it as a crossbody like this. So you could rock it like this, or you could actually even wear it as just a shoulder bag. It's very sexy. I like the tweed. It looks very classy. I love the color. It is dark blue, like a navy blue, with all the little colorful prints. This one would be nice with some jeans, or even it could go from casual to formal. Wear it like just as a clutch and just hide the strap inside, and wear it like this. Isn't she gorgeous? I love it. And most of all, I love the price. $80 for this is no-brainer. It has a lot to offer. I'm also liking their other styles, but however, I think I want to wait till it goes on sale. Try not to buy so much of the high street brand, because it could take up a lot of space in your closet. But if I see something like this that is somewhat unique, in a good price and a good quality, and seems to be well made, then I would purchase. So yes, I am more becoming a minimalist now, if you would call it that way. But this is such an adorable bag. I love. It's very practical. The price is so acceptable. I am not sure if I will really pay $5,000 for a tweed bag, knowing that it's not as durable as leather, I don't think, and not as long lasting, and it's very delicate. So for this price, it's of course very acceptable, and it's a gorgeous bag, so you can't go wrong with this. All right, so that is it for my reveal today. I cannot wait to see you on my next video. I hope you enjoyed watching me and continue to support me. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I'm gonna be uploading more videos. Just bear with me. It's been quite a busy life overall. And I'm also gonna have Moina unboxing for my 2 bags that are going to be so exciting. So look out for that video as well. I love you, and you take care. Have a good day wherever you are, and stay safe.